morning, dear kids. Welcome to Montessori 1 English class. This is your workbook. Under head of alphabets, open your book page number 105. Book page 105. Write and color. L, letter. L. Write the L sound. L, lamb, lady finger, lion, log, lemon, leaf. Which are these things? L sound. Write A to L sound. Apple, ball, candy, the door, egg, fish. Glass, house, igloo, juice, kite, ladder. It's your homework beta. Complete book page 105. Okay beta. Allah Hafiz.